we will not accept that. That's why we are saying the most powerful thing is the board. Go back to the villages, go back to the districts, go back to the constituencies, sit down with the people regardless of political affiliation, creed, religion, or whatever. Identify the most popular and capable person. Tomira naye my elections in 2018. We will not be bothered about political parties. We only want people who are competent so that we can take this economy from the economic mess in which it is and take it to another level. I want to be very specific. Welfare, my comrades, is bad. Welfare, my comrades, is bad. Chinamasa has nothing in his coffers, not even for you, but even for the whole country. So, kwenda kuda kunotsvaga mvura kutsime paruware kutopedza nguva hakuna chiri. That is the reality of this economy, my comrades. What is now required is for us to build a new economy. That task we need every Zimbabwean, but we may need even other Zimbabweans in the diaspora. And this time when I'm talking about the diaspora, we want to be creative. The diaspora of Zimbabwe starts in 73, 74. That's when the white population peaked to 250, 300,000 in 73, 74. Afterwards, the white population started going down because so they ran away. Now, in all honesty, my comrades, those young white people who ran away as of 1973 and accentuated their fleeing after 1975, Wagaita deplete the Rhodesian army of manpower. And one of the biggest ways to win the war, like the Chinese general, if you can win without firing, you are number one general. So by simply showing that it's not they ran away to other countries. They shortened the war. And by doing that, they were also being progressive. They are in countries where they are not recognized, Australia, Canada, everywhere. Maybe the true reconciliation should also include the protagonists of the war. We need skills when the new economy comes. Maybe we should re-examine the identity of the war veteran. Let's not continue because our G4 Jonathan, he came and he commanded the Assam cabinet. If they can tolerate Angari spy against Jonathan, Agada is a general. No. We want to throw out a gesture to everybody to come back and make